Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the HPE Networking Instant On AP27. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. The AP27 is an outdoor Wi-Fi 6 access point from the HPE Networking Instant On range. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here you have your installation, configuration and safety guide, startup guide, and safety compliance and warranty information. Here's the access point. We will have a closer look at it later. First, let's see what else is in the box. There is a grounding lug, waterproof cable gland, screws used to secure the access point to the mounting bracket, and a mounting bracket itself. There is nothing else in the box. Installing the mounting bracket is easy. First, secure the bracket to the desired surface by using the pre-drilled holes. Then simply slide the access point in place, like so, and secure using the screws supplied. On the side, you'll find the LED light cover. If you open it using the 8mm Allen key, you'll find your reset button and a console port. Make sure you close this tightly once you're done. Since this AP is meant for outdoor use, it has a grounding connector on the bottom. You will need to install the grounding lug and get the electrician to connect the appropriate grounding wire. The Ethernet port is hidden behind a cap next to the grounding connector. You can use a large flathead screwdriver or a coin to open it. In order to keep the unit waterproof, you will need to use the supplied cable gland to install the Ethernet cable. First, line up the gland like this, and then thread through an unterminated Ethernet cable. Once this is done, you should get your electrician to terminate the cable, plug it into the Ethernet port, and screw in the cable gland. The only way to power up this AP is through the Ethernet cable, either using a PoE switch or a PoE injector, which can be purchased separately. And there you have it. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. See you next time!